At 40 plus, the skin begins to tell stories. Natural collagen loss, increased sensitivity to inflammation, hormonal fluctuations, and nights of sleep that no longer repair as before. But there is a smart and simple shortcut to restore vitality and firmness while you sleep. It's not a passing fad or a miracle promise. It's a nighttime habit that combines nutrients with antioxidant action, collagen support, and a gentle boost to restorative sleep. When the skin regenerates the most, think of it this way. During the night, the body activates maintenance processes, fights free radicals, repairs microdamage, and reorganizes the skin barrier. When we provide the right cofactors at this time, we enhance this biological window. That's why so many women are noticing more hydrated skin when they wake up, less noticeable expression lines, and a natural glow that seemed to have disappeared. In today's video, I'm going to show you the anti-aging nighttime drink that integrates 3 essential fronts, calm and quality sleep, to reduce cortisol that sabotages the skin, antioxidants and polyphenols, to curb oxidative stress that accelerates aging, support for collagen and hydration, strengthening elasticity and texture. We go beyond the recipe. You will understand why it works, the best time to take it, the exact proportions, how to adapt it if you are sensitive to any ingredient, vegan alternatives, and the mistakes that hinder the results, such as sweetening it the wrong way or boiling it too much and losing active compounds. I will also point out who should be cautious and when to talk to your doctor, because responsibility is part of skincare. Before we start, leave your like and subscribe to the channel to follow the upcoming 40 routines. Shall we do this together? Why is this nighttime drink so powerful? When we talk about skin aging after 40, 3 factors are always at play. Collagen decline. Studies show that after age 40, the natural production of this protein drops by up to 1% per year. The result? Loss of elasticity, the appearance of fine lines, and sagging. Oxidative stress, free radicals, coming from poor diet, pollution, and even your own metabolism, attack collagen and elastin fibers. Impaired sleep. It is during deep sleep that the greatest release of growth hormone occurs, which is essential for cell regeneration. Poor sleep accelerates wrinkles and dryness. Now, why can a drink make such a difference? Because it acts on these 3 points. At the same time, it provides powerful antioxidants that neutralize free radicals, preventing damage to the skin. It delivers amino acids and cofactors for collagen, which help maintain firmness and hydration. It contains soothing compounds that improve sleep quality by reducing cortisol, the stress hormone that sabotages beauty. And it's not just theory. Research indicates that women who consume hydrolyzed collagen, combined with natural antioxidants, show improved elasticity and reduced wrinkle depth within weeks. In addition, drinking soothing teas at night is associated with fewer nighttime awakenings and longer periods of deep sleep, a crucial phase for tissue repair. This combination is so effective because it takes advantage of the so-called nighttime repair window, the moment when your body is free from external aggressions such as sun, pollution, and makeup, and focuses on recovery. When you add strategic nutrients at this time, the impact is much greater than during the day, and you know what's best. It's a simple recipe with affordable ingredients, but the order, the preparation method, and even the water temperature make a difference in ensuring that the active ingredients really work. In the next step, I'll show you the exact ingredients, why each one was chosen, and the details that prevent you from wasting the benefits without realizing it. The anti-aging nighttime drink recipe. Now that you understand why this drink works, it's time to learn the complete recipe. But it's not just a matter of mixing ingredients. Each component has been strategically chosen to maximize the effects on the skin and body. Ingredients: 1. Chamomile tea bag. 1 tablespoon of hydrolyzed collagen, preferably UNFLAVORED. 1 pinch of ground cinnamon. Hot water, around 200 milliliters, but not boiling. Pure honey, optional. To sweeten. Preparation: 1. Heat the water until small bubbles begin to form, but do not let it boil, as this can destroy sensitive compounds in the tea. 2. Add the chamomile tea bag and let it steep for 5 minutes. 3. Remove the tea bag and add a tablespoon of hydrolyzed collagen. Mix well until completely dissolved. 4. Add a pinch of ground cinnamon, and if desired, sweeten with a little pure honey. 5. Drink 20 to 30 minutes before bedtime. Why is each ingredient essential? Chamomile tea contains apigenin, a flavonoid with a calming effect that binds to receptors in the brain and reduces neural excitation. This improves the quality of deep sleep, a crucial phase for skin cell repair. Hydrolyzed collagen. This is a form of collagen, broken down into peptides to facilitate absorption. Clinical studies show improved skin firmness and elasticity after 8 to 12 weeks of daily consumption. Cinnamon, rich in polyphenols, with antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects. It also helps regulate blood sugar, preventing insulin spikes that impair sleep quality and promote collagen fiber. glycation.natural. Honey. In addition to sweetening, it provides small amounts of antioxidants and has a prebiotic effect, promoting intestinal health, which is also reflected in the skin. Important detail: always take it before bedtime, because that is when repair hormones are most active and nutrients are best utilized. Now let's talk about what results to expect, and the mistakes that make the drink less effective. What to expect from this anti-aging nighttime drink: deeper sleep and fewer awakenings. Upon waking up, slightly more hydrated skin, with a less dull appearance, slight reduction in morning puffiness, especially around the eyes, in those who retain fluids. Note: results vary depending on daily hydration, protein intake throughout the day, sun exposure, and sleep quality. The drink enhances, but does not replace, basic skincare routines and habits. Common mistakes that sabotage results, and how to correct them. Overboiling. Waterboiling kills sensitive compounds in tea. I use hot water, but without vigorous boiling, just small bubbles. Turn off the heat before it comes to a rolling boil. Excessive sweetener. Too much sugar or honey increases glycation, a process that hardens collagen fibers. Correction: use a little honey, or no sweetener. If necessary, use a minimal amount. Insufficient dose of collagen. A small amount does not provide enough peptides. Correction: use approximately 1 tablespoon, around 8 to 10 grams, unless otherwise advised by a professional. Take it right before bedtime. It can cause discomfort in people with reflux. Correction: consume 20 to 30 minutes before going to bed. Swap chamomile for stimulating teas. Green, black, or mate tea at night can worsen sleep. Correction: stick to chamomile, lemon balm, or a soothing caffeine-free blend, expecting miracle results in a few days. Collagen and sleep adjustments are cumulative processes. Correction: be consistent for at least 4 to 8 weeks, monitoring your metrics, neglecting water and protein during the day. Skin needs water and amino acids throughout the day to regenerate at night. Correction: regular hydration and protein, distributed throughout meals. Who should exercise caution? Allergy to plants of the Asteraceae family, chamomile, or sensitivity to cinnamon. Diabetics, use honey very sparingly, or avoid it altogether. Consulting a healthcare professional. Use of anticoagulants. Pregnant women, nursing mothers, consult your doctor. Gastritis/reflux. Prefer warm drinks. Consider avoiding cinnamon, and do not consume while lying down. 1. Vegan version, without animal collagen. If you follow a vegan diet, you don't have to give up the ritual. Replace hydrolyzed collagen with vegan collagen peptides or a mixture of amino acids. There are specific supplements with the same precursors. Natural alternative: vegetable gelatin, agar-agar, rich in soluble fiber, which helps with satiety and intestinal health, indirectly improving the skin. Add 1 tablespoon of chia seeds hydrated for 10 minutes, optional. In addition to antioxidants, they provide essential fatty acids. For those who cannot use honey. 0 sugar option: pure stevia or erythritol, but always in small amounts, so as not to alter the intestinal flora. Another option is not to sweeten it, and to appreciate the natural flavor of cinnamon. For those who cannot tolerate cinnamon. Use pure cocoa, 100% powder. Rich in antioxidants, and also brings a feeling of pleasure before bedtime. Amount: half a teaspoon, mixed after the collagen. Version, with antioxidant boost. Add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, plus a pinch of black pepper for absorption. Benefit: powerful anti-inflammatory, helps curb glycation and oxidative damage. Now you know not only the recipe, but also why it works, how to maximize results, and what to avoid so as not to waste the benefits. This nighttime drink is more than a ritual. It is a daily investment in what your skin needs after 40 restorative rest, antioxidants, and collagen support. Remember, there are no miracles, What transforms your skin is consistency, attention to detail, and a combination of good habits. If you include this ritual before bedtime, following the guidelines, in a few weeks you will notice a new glow in the mirror, a smoother texture, and the feeling of waking up with skin that is nourished from within. And if you want to further enhance these results, stay hydrated, prioritize lean proteins, and don't forget sun protection, because nothing replaces complete care. Now, tell me, in the comments, had you heard of this anti-aging drink before? Will you try it today? And don't leave the video without first leaving your like. It helps me bring more content like this to you. Share it with that friend who also wants younger-looking skin after 40. Subscribe to the channel to receive more tips on longevity, natural beauty, and women's health. Because self-care is not vanity, it's health, and every woman deserves to age with confidence and radiant skin.